Good afternoon, बच्चों. Today I am discussing about the 10th class English medium digestive system. Yesterday I discussed you about the nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, parasite, saprophyte, symbiotic. Today I am discussing here the digestive system of human. System of human. Our digestive system, our human digestive system, are 6 to 7 meter long, in which many organs are associated and form the digestive system, like pharynx, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, cecum, are so many organs are associated with the digestive system. So we start digestive system of first part, mouth. Mouth is the surrounded by the or covered by the upper jaw and lower jaw, in which there are 32 teeth are present. The formula of the teeth of the human 2 3 upon 2 3 into 2 means 16 teeth are upper and 16 teeth are lower. Total number of teeth is 32 in young human, and milk teeth are 20. There are two types of teeth in human beings. First milk teeth, and second grain teeth. We discuss here in mouth there are 3 pair of salivary glands are present, which secrete the saliva, and tongue are also present into the mouth, which act as the taste of the food and mix with the saliva. Then the mouth end part of the joint to the pharynx. Pharynx are 9 cm long, tube-like structure, and end part of the pharynx are jointed by the esophagus. Esophagus is linear or tube-like structure about 25 cm long, 2.5 cm in diameter. It goes on the thoracic cavity and joined to the first part of the stomach. Stomach are three parts: cardiac stomach, pyloric stomach, and fundic stomach. And the end part of the stomach joined to the small intestine. The first part of the small intestine is called duodenum. Duodenum is the foremost or upper, or we can say posterior part of the alimentary canal or small intestine and sea-like structure. And then in this region the bile duct are open, and also pancreatic duct are open, and pour the solute into the duodenum. And then second part of the small intestine is the duodenum. Duodenum are the coiled structure in the duodenum. Internally, a finger-like outgrowth are present called villi. Villi are responsible for the absorption of the digested food material. Digested food material. It increase the surface of the digestion of the food material. And ileum is the last and end part of the small intestine, which join to the foremost or posterior anterior part of the large intestine. Large intestine is the 90 centimeter long coiled structure and present around the small intestine. The diameter of the large intestine are 7.5 centimeter and the length of the large intestine is the 90 centimeter long. Where the small intestine open into the large intestine, a bag-like structure are present called cecum. Cecum in human beings are rudimentary, but the animal have a active and act as the digestion of the cellulose in help of the symbiotic bacteria Escherichia coli. The function of the large intestine is the absorption of the water, and at last rectum is the last portion of the last intestine and also last portion of the alimentary canal. So this is about the alimentary canal. दो क्वेश्चन आते हैं, एक तो एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, दूसरा डाइजेशन के बारे में कल बताया जाएगा। आज केवल एलिमेंट्री कैनाल के बारे में बताया गया। धन्यवाद।